Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unfortunately has been stopped on the application of Crunchyroll. You will go to settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Crunchyroll and you can here. We go to Crunchyroll app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. So